Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. We will now create a new augmented reality project called the AR Cylindrical Targets. In this AR Cylindrical Targets, we will first create a cylindrical target database inside Vuforia, and after this we will project 3D models surrounding this cylindrical targets. Okay, so I'll give this project a name of AR Cylindrical Targets, and after this I'll click on create project. So as you can see, the AR cylindrical target project is created. Okay, and after creating this project, next I'll save the scene. Okay, so to save the scene, I'll click on file. I'll then click on save scene as, and inside the assets folder, as we have done previously, I'll create a new folder. I'll give this a name of data files. I'll open the data files folder. I'll then create a new folder called as scenes, and inside the scenes folder, I'll save this scene and I'll give this scene a name of AR CT scene. Okay, so the CT is the short form for cylindrical targets. Okay, and I'll hit save. So as you can see, the AR CT scene is saved inside the scenes folder. Okay, after saving the scene, next I'll switch the platform to Android. So I'll click on file. I'll then click on build settings. After this, I'll select the Android platform and I'll then click on switch platform. If you're building this app for iOS, then you can select the iOS platform and then you can click on switch platform. Okay. Now, after switching the platform, next I'll click on player settings, and inside the player settings, I will check the Vuforia augmented reality support checkbox. Okay, and the Vuforia augmented reality support checkbox is basically inside the XR settings tab. So after making these changes, I'll close the build settings. Next, I'll click on the game object option. After this, I'll go in Vuforia and I'll add the AR camera. Okay, so I'll click on the import button to import Vuforia components. So guys, as you can see, the Vuforia components are imported inside my project, and you can also see that the AR camera is added inside the hierarchy. Okay, now after adding the AR camera, next I will provide the license key over here. So I'll go inside my Vuforia account, and inside the license manager tab, as you can see, I have created this license key by the name of all AR keys. Okay, so I'll open it, and as I told you in the previous project, I'll use this all AR keys license key for all my remaining Vuforia applications. Okay, so I'll copy this license key. After this, I'll open Unity. Next, I'll select the AR camera. After this, I'll click on open Vuforia configurations and I'll paste the license key over here. After pasting the license key, I'll click on Ctrl S and I'll save the scene. Next, I'll minimize Unity, and after this, I will upload this image as cylindrical target. So as you can see in the previous video, we had scanned this stone image. Okay, so I will now upload this stone image inside my Vuforia account. Okay, so I'll open Vuforia. After this, I'll click on target manager. Next, I'll click on add database. I'll give this database a name of AR cylindrical target. I'll keep the device option checked, and next I'll click on the create button. I will then open the AR cylindrical targets. Next, I'll click on the add target button, and this time the target type will be cylinder. So after selecting the cylinder type, next we have to mention the bottom diameter, top diameter and the side length of a cylinder. Okay, so the bottom diameter of my cylinder was 5. The top diameter of my cylinder was also 5, and the side length of my cylinder, that is the height of my cylinder, was 24. So after setting the dimensions, next in the name I'll give this a name of cylinder stones. Okay, I'll then click on add. And now as you can see, the cylinder stones is created, but the status is showing as incomplete, and that is because we haven't uploaded the cylinder image. So I'll click on the cylinder stones target, and over here as you can see, we have to upload 3 images. Okay, now I won't be uploading the upload top image and the upload bottom image, as the upload top image is for the top diameter and the upload bottom image is for the bottom diameter. Okay, I'll just be uploading the upload side image over here. Okay, so I'll minimize Vuforia, and as I've mentioned previously, this is the image which we will be uploading. Okay, but currently this image is in landscape mode, and the image which we should upload should be in vertical mode. That is, the height should be more than the width. Okay, So I will rotate this image, and for rotating this image I'll use a software called as Photoscape. Okay, so the Photoscape software is basically a free software and you can download it from the internet. So I'll open the Photoscape software. Next I will select the editor option, and after this I'll drag the cylinder stones image inside the software. Now for rotating this image, I will select the home tab, and inside the home tab, as you can see, we have these two options for rotation. So I'll click on the rotate 90-degree clockwise option. Okay, and as you can see, the image is rotated by 90 degrees. Next, I'll click on Ctrl S and I'll save this image. Okay, so I'll click on Save As and I'll save this image on my desktop. Okay, so I'll give this image a name of Cylinder Stones Vertical. Okay, I'll then hit Save. Now over here you have to choose the quality. So I'll leave the default quality to 100 and next I'll click on the OK button. So as you can see, this new cylinder image is created over here and the height of this image is more than the width. Okay. So next I'll open Vuforia. After this I'll click on Upload Side. Next I'll click on the Browse button. And this is the image, that is the cylinder stones vertical image. So this is the image which I'll be uploading. So I'll click on Open. I'll then click on Upload. Okay, but as you can see, we are getting this error of this image does not match the dimensions of the cylinder target. Okay, and over here as you can see, the ratio of the width to the height of this image should be 0.654. So guys, to explain this error in simple terms, okay, Vuforia wants us to upload an image which should have a width to height ratio of 0.654. Okay, so I'll click on Cancel. Next I'll open Photoscape software, and over here as you can see, the width of my image is 1120 and the height of my image is 1600. Okay, so if I open the calculator app and if I calculate the ratio, so 1120 divided by 1600. Okay, so the width will be on the top and the height will be at the bottom, as we want the width to height ratio. And if I press enter, then as you can see, the ratio of the width to height is 0.7. Okay, and that's why we are not able to upload our image over here, as the width to height ratio should be 0.654. Okay, so to achieve a width to height ratio of 0.654, you can either reduce the width of the image or you can either reduce the height of the image. Now in my case, I will reduce the width of the image and I'll leave the height to 1600 itself. So for reducing the width of this image, I'll use this very simple equation of width divided by 1600 equal to 0.654. Next, I will take the 1600 on the right hand side. Okay, so we now have this equation of 1600 multiplied by 0.654. Okay, so if I do a simple math over here, 0.654 multiplied by 1600, and if I press enter, then as you can see, the final answer is 1046.4. Okay, so we will ignore this decimal point. So after getting the width value, next I'll reduce the width of this image. And to reduce the width of this image, I'll click on this resize option, and the resize option is again inside the home tab. So I'll select it. After this, I will uncheck this preserve aspect ratio. Okay, and next I will change the width to 1046. Okay, so I will just type 1046 in the width. Okay, and then I'll press OK. So as you can see, the width of my image is reduced to 1046 and the height is constant at 1600. Okay, so next I'll click on Ctrl S. After this, I'll click on Save As, and I will now save this new image by the name of Cylinder Stones Compact. Okay, after this, I'll again click on the OK button, and if you look over here, the total size of my image is 1.1 MB. Okay, which is below the 2 MB mark. So I'll click on OK. So after creating this Cylinder Stones Compact image, next I'll again open my Vuforia account. After this, I'll click on Upload Size. I'll click on Browse. Okay, and over here, as you can see, the maximum size should be 3 MB. Okay, and since my image had a size of 1.2 MB, so I can upload it. I'll click on Browse over here, and next I will select the Cylinder Stones Compact image. Okay, after this, I'll click on Open. And this time, if I click on the upload button, then hopefully our image should get uploaded. So guys, as you can see, my cylindrical image is uploaded over here, and this is how this image is looking on top of the cylinder. Now we haven't uploaded the top and the bottom image, which is completely fine, okay, as we are only going to work with the side image. So after uploading the side image, next I'll again click on AR cylindrical targets. After this, I'll select the cylindrical stones target, and next I'll click on download database. I'll select the Unity editor option, and next I'll click on the download button. So guys, as you can see, the AR cylindrical target Unity package is downloaded in my system. Okay, so I'll just copy it on my desktop. And after copying the AR cylindrical target Unity package on my desktop, next I'll double click on it to import it inside my AR cylindrical target project. Okay, so I'll click on the import button to import it. Okay, so guys, the AR cylindrical target is imported inside my system. Okay, so I'll end this video over here, and in the next video we will place 3D models surrounding a cylinder target.